In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate and utilize Miro, the visual workspace designed for innovation. This guide is all about ensuring that you can access your boards and make the most out of Miro's features with ease. So let's get right into it. To start, you'll want to head over to the Miro login page. Simply open your browser of choice and type in the URL for Miro. Once you're there, you'll be on the login page, which serves as the gateway to all your collaborative efforts. If you already have an account, you'll notice several login options. For this guide, we'll be focusing on logging in using your email. It's a straightforward and secure way to get started. Next, you'll see an option to continue with email. Click on that, and a prompt will appear asking for your email address. Go ahead and enter the email associated with your Miro account. This step is key as it connects your login attempt to your existing profile, so make sure you input the correct email to avoid any login hiccups. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub of all your Miro activities. From here, you can access all the boards you've created or have been invited to. To continue with today's task, locate an existing board you want to work on. Click on this board and it will open up, ready for you to dive into your next project or brainstorming session. Within the board, you might have various elements like text boxes, sticky notes, and diagrams. Let's focus on something specific, modifying a text box. Simply click on the text box you wish to change. Selecting this text box brings up editing options that allow you to make modifications. Now suppose you want to change the font of the text to better suit your presentation's theme or personal preference. After selecting your text box, it's time to explore font options. Miro offers a variety of fonts to choose from, providing flexibility in how you present your information. Click on the font selection drop-down menu, browse the available fonts, and choose the one that best suits your style or project needs. This feature allows you to personalize your board, enhancing readability and aesthetic appeal. And there you go. You're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently log into Miro, access your boards, and customize text elements to suit your project requirements. With these steps, you'll harness the power of Miro more effectively, ensuring your projects are both organized and visually appealing. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy exploring all that Miro has to offer.